In the bustling city of Glasgow, Scotland, in the late 18th century, a man named Adam Smith was born. This humble town would serve as the cradle for ideas that would reshape Western civilization. Born in 1723, Smith was a scholar with a keen intellect, fascinated by the workings of society and the economy. As he observed the world around him, he noticed a profound truth: people, when motivated by self-interest, often acted in ways that benefited society as a whole. The Industrial Revolution was just beginning to gather steam, and the old feudal system was crumbling under its weight. The urge for progress was palpable, yet the economic theories of the time were antiquated and ill-equipped to guide this new era. Smith, however, saw a different path. He believed that a free market, driven by competition, would lead to prosperity for all. He argued that individuals, when left to their own devices, would strive to produce goods efficiently and effectively, driving down prices and increasing the overall wealth of a nation. In 1776, Smith published his magnum opus, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations. In this groundbreaking work, he presented his theory of invisible hand, the idea that the self-interested actions of individuals, when guided by a free market, would lead to the greatest good for the greatest number. Smith's ideas were revolutionary. They challenged the status quo, questioning the need for government intervention in the economy. His work laid the foundation for modern capitalism, a system that would come to dominate the global economy for centuries to come. Smith's ideas were not without controversy. Critics argued that his theory relied too heavily on self-interest and ignored the plight of the poor. However, his work sparked a debate that would continue to shape economic thought for centuries to come. Today, Adam Smith is remembered as the father of modern economics. His ideas continue to influence economists and policymakers alike, serving as a reminder of the power of free markets and the importance of individual freedom in driving economic growth. In the end, Adam Smith's legacy is not just about economics. It's about the human capacity for innovation, the power of ideas to change the world, and the enduring pursuit of progress. His story serves as a testament to the transformative power of ideas, a beacon of hope in an ever-changing world.